First of all, you have to understand the Americans will be impacted first. So if you are putting tax on medicines, the medicines will become more expensive in America. If the Prime Minister is working towards Aatmanirbhar Bharat, this challenge is an opportunity. In a way, it's good. Trump is pushing us to become Aatmanirbhar faster. The total implication of GST cut direct is around 25,000 crores. We have to understand that's almost 10% of what the collections are at this point of time. So obviously the benefit of GST cut is going to go into the system. Two things will happen. The prices of commodities will come down. The second, there will be more purchasing power which will be there with the people because there will be residuary amounts which are there. So the multiplier effect of the growth of the economy, which is already running at 7.8% GDP growth, I think will move beyond 8-9. And if we move everything correctly, by mid of 26, you will see the first time in the world a double-digit GDP growth for Bharat, India. So the implications of all this is to create an economy which moves at a higher pace. We are already moving positive, but a growth push is required to be done, and that is what the Prime Minister has done by cutting GST in across the board in everything. I'll speak about real estate. In the real estate industry, which is what we are concerned, directly just now, most of the products had a GST rate of 28%. Remember one thing, in construction industry did not have input tax credit. So the entire burden was on the industry to grow. Now, most of the products have been reduced from 28 to 18%, which means cement, steel, bricks, paints, all the inputs which go into construction of a house is come down. So this will have a direct impact on real estate. But the impact on affordable housing will be much more. Because in the case of high cost housing, land and other components and other costs which government taxes are there is a bigger component. But in affordable housing segment, the construction cost is a big cost. And that benefit definitely goes to the buyer which will come up. So I think the fall down of affordable housing which has happened in the last 18 months will now pick up again thanks to GST inputs.
Just one last question. We have seen that the Trump has been imposing tariff on India on various sectors and like 50%, 100%, and recently Trump has made an announcement that 100% more tariff will be imposed on pharma sector. Do you think that imposing tariff in such a way will India will get impact on this?
First of all, you have to understand the Americans will be impacted first. So if you are putting tax on medicines, the medicines will become more expensive in America. So I think America will be the first person who will be affected. Yes, we will be affected because we do sales to America. We sell steel, we sell other equipment, we sell pharmaceuticals, all these things. So the companies which are doing this business will obviously be affected. But you have to remember, if the Prime Minister is working towards Aatmanirbhar Bharat, this challenge is an opportunity. We are talking about 2030, we are talking about 2047. When such challenges are thrown by the United States of America, by its president, Mr. Trump, obviously India should treat it as an opportunity. Our demographics are growing, alternative other countries are there, the European countries are there, China is now opening up for us. So I think what we need to do is, the target of the Prime Minister, Aatmanirbhar Bharat, Viksit Bharat, will not be 2030 and not be 2047, it will be earlier than that. So I think, in a way it's good, Trump is pushing us to become Aatmanirbhar faster. Look at the announcement I got yesterday, which was aeroplanes. Hindustan Aeronautics is going to make all the planes within the country. Otherwise we were buying from America, we were buying from Europe, we were buying from them. Now we will make it ourselves. All this is a future opportunity for India, and I'm not happy with the tariff. Obviously, nobody wants that tariff to be there because we like international trade. But if they want to throw a challenge to India, we will meet it.